All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at this word problem. It's a mixture problem. We have a ground meat mixture is formed by combining meat that costs $2.20 per pound with meat that costs $4.20 per pound. How many pounds of each were used to make a 50-pound mixture that costs $3 per pound? So let's do this with the bucket method and then with the seesaw method. Um, if I make a sketch, this just helps me visualize what I'm combining and how I'm getting my final mixture. All right, so we've got some meat that is $2.20 per pound. We have some other meat that's more expensive that's $4.20. And the combination, this final mixture, should be a number that's in between these two values, and that's a mixture that's $3 per pound, and 3 is between those two values. We have a final amount of 50 pounds, and it's asking us for the amount of each of the ingredients. We'll just randomly pick one and call it X, and the other one then has to be enough to add up to 50, so it has to be whatever 50 minus X is, because together the two of those add up to a total of 50 pounds. So now we take the price per times the amount, so we have 220 times X, 420 times 50 minus X, and that equals 3 times 50. Let's distribute this through and see what we get. So I'm getting 210 minus 420x is equal to 150. So on this side, if I combine these two like terms, I get -2. If I subtract 150 minus 210, what I get 60, no, -60. And if I divide, negative divided by negative is positive, and half of 60 is 30. So we have, excuse me, we have 30 pounds at 220 per pound, and then we have 50 minus 30 is 20 pounds of the more expensive. And if you combine these two, the result is a 50-pound mixture that we sell at $3 per pound. All right. Let's do it by the seesaw method and see if we don't get the same result. So let's identify the, not the concentration, but the amount for the week, the in-between amount, and the strong amount, the most expensive. This was $2.20 per pound. The strong was $4.20 per pound, and the final mixture was $3 per pound. We let our variable X be, we just randomly said, hey, let it be the cheaper meat X, which meant that the other had an amount of 50 minus X, because we were told that the final mixture had a weight of 50. So we're interested now in the distance from the middle, this difference. 3 minus 2.2 is 0.8, and 4.2 minus 3, 1.2. So we take this small product of the distance times the weight and set it equal to the distance times the weight. That's where it's getting its method of the seesaw method. If you think of it as a seesaw, and the lesser amount needs to be that distance to average it out, to equal it out. All right, so let's multiply. Let's distribute the 1.2. I'm getting 60. That makes sense. And 1.2x. So if I add 1.2 to each side, I get 2x. 60. If I take half of 60, I get 30, and that represented the pounds. That was the cheaper meat. We said it was the weaker, the 220 per pound, and the stronger, the 50 minus x, is 20 pounds, and that was at 420 per pound. So we get the same answer. Just a little different way to think about how to get the same answer. It doesn't matter to me which method that you pick. I'm not aware of any other methods and stuff, but maybe you could come up with one, or maybe you could find one. As long as it provides you the correct final answer, that's fine with me. Ask any questions if you need to. Let me know if I've made any silly arithmetic errors so I can edit the video and help other people. I will talk to you later. Bye.